What is going on, guys? Welcome to part 4 of me fixing up these Graham lights for my Focus ST. Guys, if you haven't seen parts 1, 2, or 3, I'm going to link them here and in the description box below. Guys, in the last video, we dropped our Graham lights off to Matt at Cox Stump Parts in Litchfield, Kentucky to get powder coated. And I wish I could have revealed them there, but when I picked them up, I didn't have the camera and he was super busy that day. But guys, I have the wheels here. I've picked them up. Tomorrow we're going to Regal Motorsports to get these bad boys remounted. With that being said, guys, let me turn the camera around. Let me reveal my new powder coated wheels. Alright guys, the color I end up going with is called Triple Bronze. I'm obsessed with dark bronze wheels. I think it's going to look really good on this black car. And I think bronze is a safer option if I ever decide to wrap the car, because bronze goes with about any color. Alright guys, so a totally different look from when I first got these. When I got these wheels was in rough shape. So I've just kind of got the center cap I'm going to run sitting here. It's not popped all the way in. And then the new lug nuts I'm going to run. But guys, this looks awesome. I cannot wait to see it on the car tomorrow. But yeah, everything, these just turned out super. And guys, if you remember, the inside of these wheels was really rough. And one wheel was bent, one wheel was cracked. Let me find the cracked wheel real quick and I'll show you what it looks like painted. Yeah, so here's the cracked wheel right here. So it looks, it's a lot less noticeable when it's all one color. If you flip this around, so it's back there. So with it on the car like this, you're really not going to be able to tell because it's literally way back there. Alright guys, I just wanted to reveal the wheel color for you. Tomorrow morning I'm loading these up. We're taking them to Regal Motorsports. Steven's going to help me mount these boys up. And guys, you're finally going to get to see them on the Focus. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Alright guys, it is the next morning. We have everything loaded up here. Got 2 wheels back here. Got the other 2 back here. And we have all the tires loaded in the Civic. Now I know why you're asking, Brian, why are you driving 2 cars? Because I could have easily got all 4 wheels and tires in the Focus. My stock ST rims, I bought that Civic and the tires were cupped on it, so they're really noisy and annoying. I got to looking last night. These tires are the tires I need for my Civic, so we're going to do like one big switcheroo today. But anyways, huge shout out to Steven for helping me out. We're not filming all that. All we're focused on in this video is these wheels getting changed to my race. But anyways, guys, we're going to head to Regal Motorsports to meet up with Steven. We'll see you all there. All right, guys, we have made it to Regal. Steven, you ready to put these on for me?
Yeah, these things look sick.
So Steven, he commented in the last video, purple as well. Guys, again, the reason I went with triple bronze, I might end up wrapping the car like a purple color, and bronze kind of goes with everything. And I also want to do my brake calipers purple, so I wanted my wheel color a different color other than purple. So thanks to everyone that commented on the last video. I really do appreciate it. That being said, we're gonna get these unloaded, get the tires unloaded, and we're gonna get started mounting these, because guys, I cannot wait to see these on the car. Alright guys, I'm going to stop the time lapse and show you what we're doing. We are breaking my old wheels and tires down. We're getting my TPMS sensors so we can switch them over to the Rays. And then these tires that was on my stock rims, they're going to end up going on my Civic later. But just wanted to kind of show y'all what was going on. Back to the time lapse. All right, tires dismounted, TPMS sensors removed from the factory wheels. Now, Steven's gonna take my Graham lights.
These things are light.
Yeah, super light.
I was like, oh, whoa.
Yeah.
So
yep. Now he's putting the new valve stem, TPMS sensor in, and then he's gonna start mounting these tires on.
Yep. So let's get into it.
Like Steven mentioned, these wheels are super light. That's why the Graham lights are a really popular choice. A lot of autocross and people like that, it takes a lot of weight off the car from the factory wheels.
Yeah, unsprung weight.
Yeah. So all right guys, we're gonna start mounting the tires and back to the time lapse. Alright guys, just want to document this one. First tire is on. Man, these look sweet.
They do look good. They do look good.
Love it.
Yeah,
alright.
I see the center caps on the car.
I know. You got those, guys, don't forget, I showed you those center caps last video. Those are going to look sick as well.
Yeah, those center caps are definitely going to look good.
Alright guys, let's get the others. Back to the time lapse. First one is done and balanced. Oh, these center caps look sweet. I'm gonna try to line these boys right up. In there. Those look fire. So on this, I could have chose blue or red. And I'm trying to do away with all the red on the car. There's a little blue in my Galaxy stuff, so blue it was. Alright guys, in case you haven't watched my other video, the center caps I just installed and these lug nuts, guys, these are all available at www.pandamotorworks.com. Use code BLewis to save yourself some money just like I did. And guys, let's get a close-up look at these lug nuts.
These things are nice. I like that.
Like I said, I emailed Mitch, and these are what he recommended. He said they're good and long-lasting, so the only thing I don't like about them is the one locking lug nut, but we can live with it.
I've seen that. I think a lot of wheel sets are coming with one locking nut per wheel now, because everybody's stealing wheels.
All right, guys, it's time to get these bad boys put on. All right, guys, we just got done. Wheels are on, and guys, this looks absolutely incredible. Steven and I were just discussing, we think this fluorescent light really doesn't do the color justice in here, so I think we're gonna move it outside and close out the video out there.
Yeah.
All right, guys, Steven's gonna move this outside. See you on a little bit. Man, this is the final part in the series. How do y'all think they turned out compared to day one? Comment down below. Steven, what do you think?
A lot better. A million times better.
So, I will be honest, these wheels were really rough. They're still, on the balancer you can see a slight bends. So, I just hope this thing rides decent. As long as these ride good, this is a win in my opinion. But I've balanced hundreds of wheels when I was a tech. Every wheel has a slight bend in some shape or form, and you really don't feel them on the test drives. So I'm just being hopeful for now. All right, guys, I wanted to throw this in here real quick because I told you on the last clip I was worried about these wheels riding bad since I had to get them fixed. Guys, this thing rides smooth as butter. It rides just like it did when it was stock. So all of the little worry I had that the wheels wouldn't ride good because they were bent once upon a time and had been fixed, that worry's right out the window. And guys, this thing rides really good. Let me get to a straight stretch and I'll show you. I'll let go of the steering wheel and show you that it doesn't shake or anything, even at 70. There's 72 right there. Steering wheel smooth as can be. So guys, I'm super pumped. I just want to throw this in here real quick and let y'all know that it does ride really good. Alright guys, I'm sitting here looking at the car. I know it needs more low, but what do y'all think about the fitment? I just showed it. I like how it pokes right here whenever you're looking at the car from behind. I like how this pokes out just a little bit. I think these set really good, guys, and I'm super excited. I've never put like a set of wheels on anything before, so I'm just sitting here just taking it all in. Super pumped. Like I said, the week I got rid of my SI, I had, before I had to get rid of it, I had found a set of Graham lights. They were black, just like this, only they were black, for my blue Civic SI. So I've wanted a set of Graham lights for years for something, and I come across these. They needed a little bit of work, but guys, I'm so glad that I took the chance, and I'm so glad that I worked on fixing these, and I just think they turned out great. Huge shout out to Chad at Chad's Automotive Wheel Repair. Huge shout out to Matt Glasscock at Cox Stunt Parts. And huge shout out to Steven Stack at S Squared Customs and Regal Motorsports. You all really helped me transform these wheels from what they were to now, and I could not be more happy, and just appreciate all you all, and I'm just super excited for this build, guys. But guys, these look absolutely incredible.
Yep.
So Well, guys, with that being said, thank you so much to Steven and Regal Motorsports. Make sure you check out Steven's channel, S Squared Customs. I'll link in the description box below. Guys, make sure you visit www.pandamotorworks.com. Use code BLewis to save yourself some money. Check out Oxito LED bulbs and all the Amazon affiliate links in the description box below. Guys, the best way to help out this channel is simply hitting the subscribe button. Guys, with that being said, I'll give you one more look at the car. Guys, until next time.